Introducing the 2025 Polaris Pro-R, Pro-S, and Pro-XP with the latest ultimate trim, now equipped with the Rockford Fosgate Stage-4 factory audio system. Representing the apex of audio performance, these kits showcase unparalleled sound, featuring enhanced speakers and amplifiers engineered all with state-of-the-art technology. Purpose-built for off-road adventures, this system provides the future of sound quality and is still designed to be easily upgradable, empowering riders to truly create an audio experience never heard before. The ultimate trim level is equipped with a Stage-4 factory audio system, which features the Ride Command source unit, a pair of front 100-watt 1-inch tweeters, a pair of 100-watt 6.5-inch component front and coaxial rear speakers, a 400-watt 4-channel amplifier, and a 10-inch subwoofer and 400-watt subwoofer amplifier. Now let's jump in and look at all the components that make up this kit. Let's begin with the speakers. Both the 100-watt 1-inch tweeters and the front and rear 100-watt 6.5-inch speakers now feature extended voice coils, enhancing the X-Max. This advancement minimizes distortion, even at maximum output levels, delivering clear, crisp sound and heightened bass response. Additionally, optimized motor structures have been integrated, significantly amplifying output, guaranteeing an immersive audio experience where you not only hear, but feel the music. Moving on to the 400-watt amplifiers, we've incorporated our patented constant power technology, which elevates performance while reducing distortion and effortlessly accommodating extra speakers without compromising output. This innovative feature ensures that even with the addition of more speakers, the amplifiers adjust impedance to maintain consistent power output. With enhanced thermal protection and minimal strain on your vehicle's electrical system, these amplifiers operate at optimal levels, delivering powerful, intelligent performance without compromising reliability. Let's dive into the upgrades available for this system. For the ultimate trims, which already come equipped with Stage 4, you have the option to upgrade to either Stage 5 or Stage 6 for both 2-passenger and 4-passenger models. Stage 5 jumps up to a 12-inch subwoofer with stainless steel grills and features our brand new bass knob that's not only easy to install, but puts you in the driver's seat to completely control your bass output. It provides active sub-level control that is independent of the source unit volume, essentially giving you more bass even when the volume is at lower levels. Meanwhile, Stage 6 takes it a step further by incorporating additional 6.5-inch speakers housed in custom molded door enclosures, elevating both the aesthetics and performance. Now don't worry if you don't have the ultimate trim. We offer Stage 1 through 4 for select sport models and Stage 3 through 6 for select premium models. Again, everything in all these systems is off-road ready, so water, mud, and any other outdoor elements won't be an issue, no matter where the adventure takes you.